What's up, Thunderdogs? Someone went ahead and stuck a nail right into my favorite BFG KO2, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that nail and plug the tire. First thing I'll grab are my diagonal cutters. I'm going to use them to pry the head of the nail up so I can get some leverage on it. Usually they're not too hard to pull out, you just kind of keep working it, and there it goes. We have some air leaking, but it's not much, so we don't have to work too quickly here. Next, grab the reamer tool so you can get between the belts and bore the hole large enough to fit the plug into. This takes a little bit of muscle, so just keep working it until you're sure the tool is completely through the tire. Give it a few good turns both ways. Slowly work it back and forth, and then go ahead and pull it in and out a few times. Clear all that debris. Once the hole in the tire is large enough for the plug, you can go ahead and jam that plug into the tire, which you very wisely threaded and lubed with rubber glue ahead of time. Make sure the plug is in far enough, then remove the plug tool. You can snip away any excess, or I suppose it'll eventually just wear off, but I'm going to clean this one up right here. Spray the area with soapy water, check for leaks. If there are any, you'll see some small bubbles, and then you're done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.